Hello guys, we are from Government College of Engineering Amravati, Department of Information Technology. Our spoken tutorial topic is linear search, binary search techniques, which is based on data structure and algorithm. We are guided by Professor Archana Badhe ma'am, and this tutorial is made by Ankush Chauhan, Aditya Chandrikapure and Naneshwar Khade. So now let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial we will see what is searching, which are the different types of searching, linear search, binary search, complexity analysis and some previous year questions that are asked in the examination. Now firstly we will see what is searching. Searching is a process of finding a given value or item in the list of values and on which position it occurred in the list. It decides whether the search key or item is actually present in the list or not. It is the algorithmic process of finding a particular item in a collection of items, and it can be done on internal data structure or on external data structure. There are two types of searching. First is linear search and second is binary search. Now we will discuss both the searching techniques one by one. Firstly, we will see the linear search. Linear search is a process of finding a given item in an array by traversing the array from starting till the desired element is found. It compares the item with all the elements of the array. Whenever the element is matched successfully, it will return the index of the element in the array, else it will return -1. Linear search is applied on the sorted or unsorted list. There is no such restrictions to only have a sorted or unsorted list in the linear search, and it has a very simple implementation. Algorithm for linear search. Data, LOC, K and N are elements used in the algorithm. Here data is name of array, LOC is the location of required item, K is the counter variable and N is the number of elements in the array. This algorithm finds the location LOC of item in array data or sets location equals to 0 if search is unsuccessful. Step number 1. Set K equals to 1 and location equals to 0. Step number 2. Repeat steps 3 and 4 while location equals to 0 and k is less than or equals to n. Step number 3. If item equals to data of k, then set location equals to k and write location. Step number 4. Set k equals to k plus 1. Step number 5. If location equals to 0, then write item is not in array data, else write LOC is the location of item. And step number 6. Exit. Now for understanding the linear search, we will see a simple example on that. Let us consider the array of 7 elements that are 8, 12, 5, 28, 19, 15 and 13. Consider our item is 28. Firstly compare 28 with date of 0, that is 8. Here 28 is not equals to 8. Then move to the next index and compare the item 28 with date of 1, that is 12. Here 28 is also not equals to 12. Then move and compare the 28 with date of 2, that is 5. Here 28 is not equals to 5. Then compare item with date of 3. Here 28 is equals to 28. Our search is successful, and write the index of the element, that is 3. Linear search is useful when there are fewer elements in an array. If there are large number of elements in array, linear search will take more time to search item. To overcome this problem, there is another searching algorithm, which is binary search. Binary search is very useful when there are so many elements in the array. Now we will see what is binary search. Binary search is used with the sorted array. In binary search, we follow the following steps. Firstly, we start by comparing the item with mid element of the array. If we get a match, we will return the index of the mid element. If we do not get a match, we will check whether the element to be searched is less or greater than the value of mid. If our item is greater than value of mid, then our item may be in the right half and start again from the step number 1. If our item is less than the value of mid, then our item may be in the left half and again start from the step number 1. Binary search is useful when there are large number of elements in an array and they are sorted. So a necessary condition for binary search is that the array or the list must be sorted. Algorithm for binary search. Data, lower bound, upper bound, item, location. These are the elements used in the algorithm. Here data is sorted array with lower bound LB, upper bound UB, and item is a given item of information. The variable BEG, END and MID denote respectively the beginning, end and middle locations of a segment of elements of data. This algorithm finds the location LOC of item in data or sets location equals to null. Step number 1. Set beginning equals to lower bound, end equals to upper bound and mid equals to int of beginning plus end by 2. Step number 2. Repeat steps 3 and 4 while beginning is less than or equals to end and date of made is not equals to item. Step number 3. If item is less than date of mid, then set end equals to mid minus 1, else set beginning equals to mid plus 1. Here end of if structure. Then step number 4. Set mid equals to int of beginning plus end by 2. Here end of step 2 loop. Step number 5. If date of mid equals to item, then set location equals to mid, else set location equals to null. End of if structure. And step number 6. Exit. Here let me see a simple example on binary search. Consider the list of 7 elements in an array. These are 12, 45, 50, 61, 73, 79 and 86. Here lower bound equals to 0, upper bound equals to 6 and mid equals to 3. Let us consider our item is 79. Then firstly we will compare our item with date of mid, that is 61. Here 79 is not equals to 61. Then we will check whether our item is less or greater than the mid element. Here our item is 79 which is greater than the 61. Hence we have to consider second half and update lower bound to mid plus 1. Then our lower bound is 4, upper bound is 6 and new value of mid is 5. Then check item with new value of mid, that is 79 is equals to 79. Our search is successful and we will return the index of the mid element. Now we will see the different complexities of linear search and binary search. Firstly, complexity of linear search. The best case complexity of linear search is big of 1, worst case complexity is big of n, and average case complexity is big of n by 2. The complexity is mainly depend on the number of comparisons. Now the complexity of binary search. The best case complexity is big of 1, worst case complexity is big of log n, and average case complexity is big of log n by 2. This is very good time complexity. Below are some of the questions that are asked on the searching in the examination. Thank you.